What's there at my school? Who's there at my class? Why am I longing to be studious? What's making so obedient? Why do I wish to excel in math class? What's making me so enthusiastic, longing to be at school even on Sunday? No longer wished for any holiday, longing to be at school even on Sunday. No longer wished for any holidays. What's this happening? What's happening to me? What's this happening? What's happening to me? Can anyone tell me why? I wish to be the champion in sports, wishing to be the best poet among poets. I wish to be at the front in every event. I wish to lead in every program. I wish to take the lead role, eagerly waiting for the dawn just to be at the school. Spending sleepless nights. What's this happening? What's happening to me? Can anyone tell me why? Compelling me to become a good boy, compelling me to avoid bad habits. Students of the year, I long to be. The favorite of all. There's a reason. There's a reason. There's a reason. There's a reason. A reason for being perseverant. There's a reason. There's a reason. A reason for being perseverant. Her gazes, soft, gentle smiles. What's hidden behind those gentle smiles? I wish to